Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with biology past question 2019 and we'll be solving question 11. The heart can beat continuously without being fatigued because it is composed of A. We have the skeletal muscles, B. We have the smooth muscles, C. We have the cardiac muscles, D. We have the renal muscles. Now, what's the skeletal muscles? Skeletal muscles are muscles we find in our hands, our legs, and the rest. These are muscles that enable us to move our joints. Smooth muscles are muscles that occur at the lining of our delicate organs like the stomach and the rest. Cardiac muscles. Now, cardiac muscles are muscles that are found in the heart. Now, you can find the cardiac muscle in the heart. And what is the special feature of this muscle? A cardiac muscle is responsible for the continuous beating of the human heart. It is never fatigued because it never stops beating. Now, we do not control the cardiac muscles by our conscious activities. No, the cardiac muscle is controlled. Cardiac muscle is controlled by the human brain. Now, the part of the human brain that controls the cardiac muscle is the medulla oblongata. As you all know, if the human heart stops beating, the person is dead or almost dead. So now this muscle of the human heart beats continuously. It aids the beating of the heart. Now lastly, we have the renal muscles. Now renal muscles are muscles that are found in the human kidney. And not just human, in kidneys of other organisms too. So according to this explanation, the option that suits our description, this option that suits this particular description is the cardiac muscle. It can never be fatigued except the person is dead. So the heart can beat continuously without being fatigued because it is composed of cardiac muscles. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.